This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials and taking the first corrective action. Check cables and power first. A loose HDMI or incorrect input often causes mirroring. Once the hardware is confirmed, open Display Settings, use Win+P as a shortcut, or go through Settings System Display. Make sure both monitors are detected. If one is missing, press Detect. This first step eliminates simple causes, so you can safely change modes and settings without chasing phantom problems. Now shift into the detailed execution. Change the projection mode to extend so each screen becomes independent. In Display Settings, select the second monitor and choose Extend these displays. This fixes most duplicate output cases. Next, identify displays and drag them to match your physical setup so the cursor flows naturally. If a monitor still shows the same content, update the graphics driver through Device Manager or the GPU control panel and rerun Detect. Driver refreshes finish by applying display changes and optimizing resolution and scaling for each screen. Mismatch settings can force fallback mirroring. Once set, restart your PC or reset the graphics driver. Win+Control+Shift+B to clear lingering states. If duplication persists, swap cables or test each monitor alone to determine whether a specific cable, port, or monitor is faulty. One key troubleshooting tip. Test a different output on your GPU or a different cable to quickly isolate whether the problem is software or hardware related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.